Hi, in front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Now tap on the switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable incoming call haptic feedback. You can also tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on Silent to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. When you finish, scroll down, click on Haptics and Tones, and click on the switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!